Works Minister Thongam Biswajit says lack of cooperation and negative criticism hinder state's development. Chairman of Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board L. Radha Kishore says government is replacing illegal poppy plantation in hilly areas with coffee plantation. And unknown miscreants hurled hand grenade at MTCC executive engineer Thopam Doran Gross residence at Kaishamthong, Thangcham Lairak. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham, bringing you the top stories. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit has stated that lack of cooperation has hindered development of the state. He was speaking at a discussion meet named Idea Manipur, organized by BJP Yuva Morcha Manipur Pradesh at Lelong Chajing Pukri Achau today. Minister Biswajit opined that people in the state lack appreciation for any developmental initiatives. He called upon people to give positive suggestions and constructive criticism for bringing better changes. Speaking on the sidelines, Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan said that President of BJP Yuva Morcha P. Somorjit initiated Idea Manipur with an aim to collect innovative ideas from youths, keeping aside any political differences to create platforms for developmental and entrepreneurial activities for unemployed youths in the state.
Adong asidi ako da so ano idea adong ano ino dama pire madudi karino ako ngasi Bharat ki Prime Minister na 2022 da ano ba India ama semgani haibasta Manipur chu yauri bani adudi Manipur da lari ba posing si horak le bana haron sing lari ba halaman sing aduga how ki past ki experience mayam sing je ako na lauchale har kana ako ngasi ako ki future ama sem ba je tangai phadana darkar le adun ngasi ma ako ngasi jaga kudimak ngasi organize to biraka ngasi punbiriba tawbiriba punamak sing se yamna thagatningai ne haiba chai
the world gi leiriba changing scenario sida Manipuri asi ekoi jati amoina ekoi gi resource sida base toraga ekoi karamba makal gi Manipur ma saga sige haibadu gi wakalon puthongna ba aina khangbang hakta ngang na taba mipum khudimang na aina pamba Manipur se karino haiba sige idea se generate tawsi haidrang asigi mifam si ekoi gi somorjin na kobani.
State government has taken measures to replace illegal poppy plantation in the hills with coffee plantation. Chairman of Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board L. Radha Kishore has disclosed that a Japanese company will sign an MOU with Manipur to purchase coffee beans produced in the state on February 15th. Speaking at the program on field demonstration on raising of Coffee Nursery organized by Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board along with Coffee Board India at the board office in Lamphel today. L. Radha Kishore said Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board, Coffee Board Manipur and Coffee Board India have jointly initiated coffee plantation in Manipur since last year to enhance the state's economy. He said Manipur is favorable for coffee cultivation and coffee has been planted on over 1,500 hectare land area in the state. He said a coffee farmer can easily earn about 70,000 rupees from 1 hectare land areas of coffee cultivation in a year. L. Radha Kishore urged all the village chiefs, community leaders and elected persons of the hilly regions to cooperate in the government's initiative. He assured that coffee saplings and required funds for coffee plantation will be provided by the government.
Prajasingna coffee thabasida thawa yobirabadi government gi side gi dekho ready tawre maduda sangadaba prasa haibitare coffee thananabagi training tawnaba adagi chara semenabagi natre hargana sitki akoina free the pirani panba he hobaga prajasing haribasna coffee se palandi krai di ontoino market sector si yam loba ado hoji akoina tawjeri Japanese kambu khoigi February gi tang 35 da lakadoi se mokoina Manipur dagi panba any coffee any type of coffee mokoina lorage haibagi buy back tawnabagi agreement inanaba adoga mafam sidi yengba mafam sida hoji palaga leiba coffee khrase test togani sarkarna haidi especially koi kanona khadi board na pasigi leinana bagi policy long term plan ama government gi decision ga loina na koi madu MOU tora kan da tawjagani maram masina koi namnam sida leiriba ching da especially koi tampak ta di thaba di am chani tampak ta thare pale but tampak ta area se phangdabo targe se ching da tawjare.
Unknown miscreants have attacked Manipur Travel Development Corporation (MTDC) executive engineer Athokpam Dorendro's residence at Kashamthong Thangjam Leirak under Imphal Police Station in Imphal West with a hand grenade. According to Impact News sources, the incident occurred at around 9 p.m. yesterday. Glass window panes of the house in a vehicle parked near the house were damaged by the explosion. Upon getting the information, a police team led by the OC of Imphal Police Station rushed to the spot for investigation. Imphal Police Station has registered a case and investigations are underway. Speaking to media, one family member, Athokpam Nalini, said such unfortunate incident had occurred twice in the past, causing fear psychosis to the residents. She appealed to those concerned not to repeat such act again. People carried out a protest demonstration today against last night's bomb explosion at MTDC executive engineer Athokpam Dorendro's residence. Volunteers of Kashamthong Thangjam Leirak, Maira Paibilup and Irompukri Mapal Maira Paibilup jointly staged a sit-in at the gate of Dorendro's residence. Speaking to media, Secretary of Kashamthong Thangjam Leirak Maira Paibilup Oinamasangbi condemned that miscreants have carried out bomb attacks at a residence for the third time, creating fear psychosis among the locals. She appealed to the authorities concerned to look into the matter. Oinamasangbi also urged those concerned to hold dialogues to resolve any issues in a peaceful manner instead of attacking with bombs. Various placards were displayed during the protest meet.
Karamba aningba apamba phangnanabagidamakta miyamgi punsibu karisu khandana misam praja sokpa yade khanbidana makhoi gi aningba apamba khara phangnanabagidamakta mafam asida mirakta yumlakta bom lamhinba se aikhoi thawai hakchang sokna yajaningde aningba apamba phangningba khara khakidamakta miyamgi punsibu bomna landaraga adumai tawduna miyamgi punsibu bikhamnanaba lambi sinbiganu maralajidaba misam praja somba taragadi madugi bom landare miba ibungo nakhoina sengmangam gadoribra misamgi punsibu nakhoina phagino khanbiganu darena sigi mayumda bom langjalla amibasina kari maramgi damaktano darengi marana karino aikhoi misam prajagi aki tujungba pohanganu mahaki marandusu mafam khangna sengdokpirau.
Imphal West Commando team recovered an improvised explosive device (IED) from Imphal Riverbank near Singjamai Wakkom Laikai at around 2:30 p.m. yesterday. Imphal West District Police IO team and CID bomb disposal squad team recovered the bomb and disposed it off safely at Lamding area at around 5:10 p.m. It may be mentioned that Imphal East Police team recovered a hand grenade from the residence of one suspected trained cadre of prescribed Pripak Wangjam Premchand alias Tabi from Singjamai, Waikhom Laikai at around 8:30 p.m. on January 23rd, and a case against the same has been registered at Singjamai Police Station, following which Imphal West Commando team led by Imphal West District Police IO arrested Wangjam Premchand at around 7:30 p.m. on January 24th. Upon investigation, Premchand revealed the whereabouts of the bomb which was recovered yesterday. The team had earlier recovered a remote control device from Punsi Market after the bomb blast at Rims Crossing on January 23rd morning. Police has also arrested two miscreants suspected to be involved in the case. The arrested persons are 31-year-old Kayan Paibam Tolon Khomba Meitai, son of late K. Kesho Meitai from Nongpong Mayai Laikai, and 29 years old Soibam Narendra Meitai, son of S. Kumarjit from Loitang Sandum, Awang Laikai. Parents of players of Sai STC Kuman Lampa carried out a protest demonstration near Sai STC complex, urging the relevant authorities to allow the players to continue staying at the center. Taking part in the protest, General Secretary of Parents Committee Kangabam Birbal expressed discontentment that only medalists were selected to accommodate at Sai Takel Center. He warned that the Parents Committee will continue with the protest until all the players' faith is secured.
Honorable Sam the Su Akoi, say Pisan Zakare, Adubokan, Pisan Jaki, but say Dugi, Chap Chaba, possible Oiba, Yaba, Tabak Ama, Akoi, Honorable Sam na, Tobirakin Habagi, Ashada, Koi, Parents Committee, Suyam, Zauna, Tazaba, Tamzari Aduga, Akoi Huzik Pamzari, say, Kumalapak, Sai, STC, Hana the Gila, Liba, Akoigi, event sing, event Kudimak Kapidana, Hanagumna, Chapsana, Nium Sumna, Adum, Tambiraga, Yamna normally angang sing players sing, Sanahalaga, Tambi Baduni, Koi, Parents Committee, Pamzari Basi, Madu, Pangdribok. Akoi Parents Committee side tagi akoi hanba leitana khongjangsi sanction jagani haibasi haijari Honorable Sam the Su akoi se pisan
Northeast Dialogue Forum NEDF in a press release stated that it has submitted a letter demanding Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment Thawan Chand Gehlot and Minister of State of Home Affairs G. Kishan Reddy to immediately remove Assam Rifles from Manipur following the alleged sexual assault on one woman IPS officer by personnel of 12 Assam Rifles at Khudeng Tabi checkpost in Tengnopal district on January 19th. Indigenous Women Forum Manipur IWFM in a press release declared that the forum along with various civil society organizations of the state will organize a mass rally calling to remove Indian armed forces from the state at 11 a.m. on January 31. The rally will start from Wall Club Angom Laikai, Imphal, near Andro Parking till Thangmaiban Thau ground, followed by a public meeting. The forum appealed to everyone to participate in the rally. Peace and Development Coordination Committee PDCC Kundrakpam Assembly Constituency urged the relevant authorities to take legal actions against Imphal East EE Prakash for being involved in the controversial construction of Yumnam Patlo Bridge. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, PDCC Secretary Thodam Hemjit said people have been facing inconveniences while commuting on the deplorable Yumnam Patlo Bridge on Imphal Yai School Road. He said PDCC along with the people have been urging the government to complete repairing the bridge. Thodam Hemjit alleged the contractor of the project in collusion with PWD, CE and EE constructed slab of the bridge against work schedule on January 22nd. He said upon approaching EE Prakash, he said that the contractor took responsibility for the construction. Thodam Hemjit claimed that a video footage shows that EE Prakash was present while constructing the slab. He warned of calling band from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Imphal Cycle Road on February 1st if authorities concerned fail to take necessary actions at the earliest.
Department Karimso Haramdana, contractor Masagi, Arm Rixta, Haribaton, Hajilamani, Hariba contractor, Matata, I go Ire, she is a Tankuma Power in Madam Thomas, she don't have a Taragadi, I go action lower than the contractor, she give Matata Hana Chira. She is a dear to Tade, Adugalona, and contractor must have Yoram, the power with Pang. Asumna, contractor must have a pop, some people, Dam Aron to Hajilam to Mosidi, Hariba, E. Prakash, Hariba, Upasi, Mama Sat Home with the Yoram, I could put up video record. Maramasina, Asuma Tulan Hajinba, Wachidu Wanglas, Hana, one of the machinery, PWD, Prakas, Impalis, Amasung, Lotuna Riba Chirinja, Timmy, Gamena, Atumatam, me and Changaga, January Tasibu Woman, the Muhammad, the Therapy, the Taragadi, I call Pevari Tangamada, PDC Kori Banase, Hena Kansin Bonga, I call Kongjang Changelagani, I say, Musimida Tomatum.
A man who has been accused of trying to claim a public bond at Bamdiar Thangtek Taramakong under Nambol Municipal Council, Ward number 18 in Imphal West has negated all allegations. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, accused Khaidem Tomba refuted all allegations charged upon him by Bamdiar Thangtek Teramakong Mairapai Bilup and Teramakong Awang Development Committee. Tomba said he never tried to claim a public property. He clarified that 25% of the community pond belongs to state land and the remaining 75% was donated by his mother. Khaidem Tomba appealed to those concerned not to spread false news. Stating that he has desired to donate more lands for the welfare of the locality, he appealed to refrain from holding protest right at his gate.
Priyasi ay tungan na labani, tungan na labasi pointer dan pan sa kusika sumda ay golom daga lam khara pulaga yam tra point ay gista point 25-30 lop saw bani ji panjari pukesi drama pa pa daga jam sang bani masi saruk kesi apun bari saruk kun mangarom di si stelen si wagani duga drama de koi lagi terba ay apopin na kapira ado hausi makoy na hari basi hari ba ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯟꯁꯔ ꯄꯣꯏꯟ 19 ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯇꯥ ꯄꯥꯟꯒꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯟꯒꯦ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯖꯗꯦ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯝꯕꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯠꯀꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯦꯕ.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on celebration of beating of the Retreat and Folk Dance Festival at First MR Ground. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Beating of the Retreat and Folk Dance Festival was held at First Manipur Rifles Parade Ground as a post-event of the 71st Republic Day with much enthusiasm today. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah distributed prizes to the winners of the contingent of the 71st Republic Day on the occasion. In March past category of uniform contingent, BSF contingent bagged the first position, while CRPF female contingent won in Mahila contingent. 14 senior NCC boys and girls A won in NCC group in school contingent. Scenic School, Imphal and KGBV Andro together bagged the first lot. In college contingent, GP Women's College bagged the first position. For band party, Assam Rifles band won first prize out of the 15 cultural troops. Chatrek Cultural Troop Kamtong won the first prize. Best Gate Construction went to the Forest Department, and Best W Display went to Rusa. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, ministers, MLAs and top police and civil officials attended the event. Education Minister Dr. Thochom Radheshyam has extended financial help of 50,000 rupees each to parents of 14th NDA passed out candidates. Principal of Scenic School was present at the distribution event held at the minister's residence in Kanchipur today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Radheshyam said youths after passing NDA often face financial constraints during their 3 years of training before getting commissioned. He hoped that the candidates, once they become successful in life, will continue with the tradition of helping upcoming NDA pass-out youths.
Hojikti nupi machasing jo pilot oiba air force join toba yaure akoi Manipur da Scenic School nupi machasing tamnaba linkhanaba kan honari mamang tarik tara da board of governors Scenic School gi defense minister yaw meeting ama chalubada akoi gi angangsing officer oina training toba cadet NDA da tara mari moi si tolop chade commission tawraga chahi ahum matung chaga damne do hojik sidi moi tha amul palising ahum puthokpa puthok ngamda yam waba imung yam thina waba imung leiba do haibu ngamda adugi do makoi gi commander hai mako kano dona akoi gi principal ga haitar NDA gi adu moi unabada moi na hapet wari sarakode aina nungai tadana Kramain Tausige and a Kanba, Hosiki, Nungai Mandana in a Quay Sarkar, so came to Gamdabina, Kramain Mating Pangs, Kalakana, Moitaramari, Hosiki, a pocket, Takilo Palising, Yanka, Hosiki, immediate requirements to meet Tonaba amongst the Peter.
International Admissions and Marketing Unit of GD, Goenka University, Gurgaon organized one-day career counseling event at Lamyan Bashanglen Palace Compound today. Speaking on the occasion, Unit Senior Coordinator T. Derek said the event aimed to facilitate students in acquiring good education facility. Pre-board exam toppers of various schools were felicitated with scholarships on the occasion. First ever Atal Tinkering Laboratory among schools under ZEO Zone 1 was opened at Ideal Public School in Mayang Langching today. Zonal Education Officer Zone 1 Sucheta Kumukcham inaugurated the laboratory funded by National Institution of Transforming India NITI Aayog. Speaking on the sidelines, Chairman of Ideal Public School Development Committee Bobosana expressed firm belief that the laboratory will facilitate students in learning various concepts of science and technology and instill in them with innovative ideas.
Science and technology sidaida hanagi leidiba trend si sinadum ikoi khangjare loinamak general oina aduga masina innovative idea ma ikoi share taunaraga mana puthoaga satra satri singsida anouba ikoi gi mayamna hainariba robotic system gi aduga akhoi drone semba sabagumba anova equipment sing sijaneraga ko akhoi inkhalak liba satra satri singsida upgrade oiraga school gi satra khakta tana surrounding area da lairiba school singsida semina akhoi pangthoktana adi competition pangthoktana the creative ideas haiba tare ko thinking condition sida compared to akhoi gi global da haiba tare adugumba puthorokna ba pandam ama khak silakpa sida akhoi su som sai tagi di hanana hariba khudong chabasi phangbuni hanai.
Empowerment Organization of Youths of Kangabok, Iyo Yok in Thoubal district formed a Ningo Lub under its wing today. The newly formed Women's Association aims to address the grievances facing women of Kangabok village and empower them. Around 1,000 women of Kangabok Part 1, 2 and 3 took part in the event organized by Iyo Yok and MMRC and Unity Park in Kangabok. Office bearers of the newly formed association were inducted on the occasion. Tamenglong district held district-level advocacy program on Pradhan Van Dhan Yojana at Signu Inn in Tamenglong District Headquarters today. Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India, TriFed, sponsored the program. Tamenglong District DC Armstrong Pame, IAS and DFO Arun RS, IFS and representatives of 120 self-help groups took part in the event. Ward Development Committee of Kakching Municipal Council, Ward number 11 and 12, organized an awareness program on municipal solid waste management and source segregation today. 2,496 dustbins were distributed to 1,248 households of Municipal Council, Ward number 11 and 12. Chairperson of Kakching Municipal Council, Naurim Sanjit Kumar, Vice Chairperson KSH Jaljed, and people of the area attended the event. Luang Film Production organized pre-production ceremony of its first Manipuri film, Ima Machet Icha Tangkai, at Iboyai Masumang Lila Sanglen today. Written by Ranjit Ningthojam and directed by Homeshwari, the film is produced by Jingsubam Kuman Laima, Gokul, Boni Abenau, Soma Idhau, Loken and Lalitabi are in the lead roles of the film. Speaking on the occasion, Titiula King of Manipur, Lesemba Sanajauba, encouraged filmmakers to produce films with societal messages apart from films based on family dramas and romance. Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple Board in a press release informed that the board will organize Sanamahi Lining Chatna Kanglon, Lining Kudam Amasung Lining Piral Kutsinaba event at Lining Thau Sanamahi Laisang at 10 a.m. on February 2nd. Mr. National Universe Vikash Usam and talented singer Preeti Yumna inaugurated Aramba Illustration Store at Mahabali Kabuikul Palace Compound in Imphal East today. Owner of the store, Asangbam Nongpok Nganba, said Arambai is an ancient Meitei weapon used by forefathers to keep enemies at bay. He said the name of the store is inspired from the weapon and it aims to instill patriotism among the youths. T-shirts, mugs, mementos, trophies and flex printing facilities are available in the store.
अखोइना अरामबाई सिगी वेंचर असे हंदोक्सगी मरमसे मोस्टली अखोइना हुजिकानगी यूथ कैसिना अखोइगी थाइनागी कल्चर अखोइगी आइडेंटिटी सिमजे सुम मांगजलकपदौना सुम तौरकपा मांगजलकपसे अखोइना कमाइना तौरगदी कितंग योखतबे यागदगे हाइबदा वखल खनबदा सुम अखोइना कार्टून गुम फॉर्मदा दगी अखोइगी थाइनागी खंबा थोइबिगुमसे अखोइना कार्टून गुम फॉर्मदा डिजाइन तौजरगा अखोइना सुम प्रिंटसे योनजबा हाइतारे अदोइतादी अखोइगी यूथ कैसिना सुम पामगनी हाइबगे वखल लोचिल थम लेजरगा.
And in sports news, Kakulong FC bagged the championship title of the second under-17 boys district level football tournament today. District Sports Association organized a tournament dedicated to Tamenglong district's late Namding Haimang Paumei. In the final match played at high lower ground of Tamenglong headquarters today, Kahulong FC beat Standard Youth Club by 2-0. Tamenglong DC Armstrong Pame IS graced the valedictory event. Six-day, fourth case of Technopole Block Sports Meet 2020. Nine-man district-level soccer kicked off at Senam Village Ground in Technopole district today. Cookie Students Organization case so Technopole Block organized a sports meet sponsored by 12 Assam Rifles on the theme Fraternity Through Sports. Altogether, 17 teams categorized in 4 pools are participating in the sports meet. A cash award of 40,000 rupees, a trophy and a medal will be awarded to the winners, and a cash award of 30,000 rupees, a trophy and a medal will be awarded to the runners-up of the event. In the first match played today, Molnom Youth Club and MYC defeated Mayu A by 1-0. The lone winning goal was scored by Napoleon, while in the second match, Falbung Youth Club PYC beat Mayu D by 1-0. Letkosei netted the goal of the winning team. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit says lack of cooperation and negative criticism hinder state's development. Chairman of Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board L. Radha Kishore says government is replacing illegal poppy plantation in hilly areas with coffee plantation. An unknown to the screens hurl hand grenade at MTCC executive engineer Atopam Doran Road's residence at Kashampong, Angel later.